If you're coming across any kind of issue with your media screen and you're looking to reset, all you have to do is just press and hold this power button right here, and while holding the button you will see a different screen popping out. Here it says, do you want to reboot? We'll press yes. The entire reset process is close to a minute. First, it will take over 10 seconds until you see Honda logo on the screen. Once you see the Honda logo, after that it will take 40 more seconds until the complete reset has been done. Just be patient during the reset process because the screen will take its sweet time until the complete reset has been performed. Once you see that notice coming up, just press OK. After that, it will take a few more seconds, and in my case, it starts searching for a Bluetooth device. If you had a Bluetooth device connected before, so it may connect automatically, but in our case, we'll just press home. And there it is. That is how you reset the media screen on this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.